Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. In this video, I will tell you the best way to roll a Tesla. Yes, that was a Tesla Model 3 you just saw in the road crash. Keep watching and thank you for subscribing. Let me show you some recent incidents in Hong Kong that show several cars being tipped over quite easily. This one shows a green taxi, which is a Toyota Crown Comfort LPG car, being bumped and then overturned. Next, this one shows a red taxi, another Toyota LPG car, being bumped and then overturned. You may have noticed that taxis are abundant here on Hong Kong roads, and they overturn easily because, along with the engine located at the front, they have their LPG fuel tank fixed quite high up in the boot, so that the centre of gravity of the car is high. Hong Kong taxis are notorious for being involved in many road accidents. So much so that the insurance company overlooking many taxis in the territory have bumped up their premiums. Only taxi drivers who demonstrate good safety records over several years will be given lower premiums. This white Honda all alone in the fast lane loses control and overturns. Just look at how easy it is to flip over the car, since the engine in fossil fuel cars sits pretty high up and therefore raise the car's centre of gravity. What about supercars, which are pretty low to the ground? Take a look at the crazy driver of this orange Lamborghini. Looking at the way he drives, it's little wonder that he overturned his Lambo, even though Lamborghinis look to be very low to the ground. So, how do you roll a Tesla? All Tesla models, that is the S, 3, X and Y, have 5-star safety ratings in tests conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety in the US. Other countries also give Teslas top safety ratings. Due to the low centre of gravity of the battery pack, it is next to impossible to overturn a Tesla. Just look at this Model 3 in Hong Kong last month. This lucky driver was extremely irresponsible in overtaking on this stretch of the road with oncoming traffic. Incredibly, when the Model 3 crashed into the curb at high speed, it bounced up into the air with all 4 wheels off the road and landed back down the right way up. It never overturned. The force of the front wheels hitting the curb broke the front axle and the front wheels came off. Other than that, the car remained intact. So the best way to roll a Tesla is to put your foot on the accelerator and, as your wheels roll forward, just enjoy the safe, sturdy and fun way that your Tesla drives. That's the best way to roll a Tesla. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.